Hello, in this video we're gonna check how all gestures and motions work on the Xiaomi Redmi 12C. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Now look for the additional settings at the bottom and locate gestures and gesture shortcuts. There's no motions here. Now let's see how all of them work. First one being launch Google Assistant. If you hold your power button for half a second, Google Assistant will call up and this works fine. Take screenshot. There's two settings here. If you enable them, you can slide down 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and you can also hold power key and volume down key at the same time to also make a screenshot. Launch camera, you can use double press the power button and replace it with a flashlight. I'm gonna cover that in a second. Or double press volume down when the screen is locked to open camera. So this features both work like that, and this one volume down on our lock screen. Last option is turn on flashlight, and you will need to replace your camera power key for that. So let's do that, and then double press power key and flashlight opens. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.